It's been in a year and 2 months since I got a Pixel 6 right here, and I'm kind of bored with how this phone looks like, so I've actually decided to redesign this phone right here. So in this video, that is what I'm actually going to share with you guys. So let's just dive into the video and see how this phone is actually going to look like after everything is done. Let's just check it out. So this is my Pixel 6 right here, and then this is the skin I'm actually going to use. So I got it from Easy Skins right here, and in case you want to get it after I'm done with the video, you're going to see the links in my description. Use that so that you get some discount off your purchases, and that is pretty much very cool. I've actually used this Easy Skins on my Pixel 3 XL, and that is why I am actually suggesting or trying to redesign it with my Pixel 6 right here. So let's check out how it's actually going to be like. I really like the Easy Skins design right here, so it looks very great. So the first one I got wasn't actually looking like this, so let's check how it looks like. So you can see thank you, and then this is the skin. So you can see my next order, I'm actually going to get 20% off in case I use the code right here. So when you use the link in my description, you're actually going to get some offers. So this is how it looks like, and then they gave me something I'm going to use in cleaning the phone before I wrap it. So this is how everything looks like. So we have our G here. It feels very great, and I hope it's actually going to get great. So let's get things started. So we're going to wipe the phone with this right here. We're going to take it off right here. Then wipe the phone. We really need to wipe it very well to prevent dust and all that, so that our phone is actually going to look clean. So this can actually make your phone look very new every time, and you can resell it to people, trust me, after some years. So you can see how my phone looks clean. Yeah, so we're gonna go now. It looks great like this as it stands. So I think I'm gonna leave it this way because the edges don't really make it look nice per how I feel I want it to look like. From how it looks, I think it's very great. You guys can check it out. It looks very great. So if you like it, you can just purchase one with the link in the description. And it's not necessarily just only for Pixel phones. You can use it for iPhones, Samsungs, Oneplus, and any other phone. I'm actually going to leave links in my description so that you're going to be able to just use it to purchase yours. So in case maybe you go there and you find your phone there, you can just get the skin for your phone, and then you're going to be able to just wrap it so that it's actually going to look all new every time. So if this video was very helpful, just like it up, and you can check this video right here in case you want to know more tips and tricks about any Google Pixel phone. And I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.